Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Trulieve. I've talked about them on the channel here in the past, and just time for an update. Been doing a lot of MJ stocks, a lot of MJ videos here lately. Just haven't touched on some of them in a while, so thought it was time for an update. But this is Trulieve, ticker TCNNF. So it's a holding company through subsidiaries and engages in the cultivation, possession, sale of medical MJ. Revenue of $521.5 million. Headquarters in Quincy, United States. And CEO Kim Rivers. Currently at $32.50. And this one still trades over the counter, TCNNF. So with this price, I don't know why they're not on the NASDAQ yet, but there must be some reason behind that. If you know what that is, you can go ahead and list that in the comments. Here's a look at what they've done over the last year. Looks like it's went up from looks like it's about doubled in price. So, and over the last month, it looks like it was getting close to 40 and ran down to 33.48. Looks like it was at 39.24. Here's what it looks like in the last week. Kind of up and down the 33, 34 range. Got up to 35 and down here at the previous close of 33.48. Here's a look at Friday. Looks like it was up and then came down. So a bunch of volume right in there. Currently at $32.50 is Trulieve MJA buy, and this is just dated on the 17th. So Florida-based Trulieve is a medicinal MJ purveyor par excellence with a slew of recent acquisitions behind it and another major purchase looming. Company is branching out geographically and testing new waters unlike ever before in its history. Given that its strategy is to replicate its prior successes in cornering state-level markets, it's still running a familiar playbook on new turf. Will it succeed? In my view, it's probable. And here's a gentleman standing amongst the product. Why it's worth buying Trulieve. The single biggest reason why investors should consider adding the stock to their portfolio is that it's growing at absolutely bonkers pace. In the first 3 months of 2021, the company's quarterly revenue skyrocketed by more than double the year-over-year, and its quarterly earnings expanded at a rapid clip of 27.4% compared to the same period in 2020. But wait, there's more. Trulieve is profitable too, so there is no need to worry about it falling into MJ industry. All too common pitfall of pursuing unprofitable growth until the overhead becomes unsustainable. Trulieve's strength is the persistence and skill in developing its core markets, with a mismatch between output capacity and demand in its home state of Florida, where the vast majority of its dispensaries operate. Company holds 48% of the medicinal MJ market, and while its market share outside of the state is in infancy at best, that's probably about to change in a big way. And so this one's looks like it is profitable. A lot of them are not, and so its upcoming acquisition with Harvest Health and Recreation, ticker HRVSF. I don't believe I've talked about that one on the channel. Will bolster its demand addressable market by as much as 53%, massively increasing its cultivation capacity and its collection of branded MJ products. The deal is worth $2.1 billion in stock. Will add Trulieve's substantial retail holdings in the Northeast, while it also giving its presence in the Southwest. So all over the place and trying to expand, and which is good for the stock price and revenue and everything. So Trulieve will be even stronger going into 2022, and it's estimated its combined equity or entity could make as much as $1.23 billion in revenue by the end of this year. So very more profitable on this one than a lot of the other ones that I've been talking about here on the channel, but overextended or stuck in markets where it isn't a good fit. Currently 83 of the Trulieve's 91 dispensaries are located in Florida. Wow, that is a huge market in Florida. 83 out of 91. Wow. Strength in its home market is a positive thing, but it's important to recognize that the company is largely unproven when it comes to profitable expansion in other states. And the Harvest acquisition proceeds as planned. Trulieve will suddenly have significantly new holdings across the country, all of which will be in the markets and a minimal experience. Consumers in its new markets may have the same product preferences in the Floridians. Likewise, there may be higher cultivation and distribution costs in the Northeast. All Harvest itself isn't profitable, even in its home region. Profitability and wild sales growth make for a winner. I think Trulieve will succeed at substantially expanding its operations outside of Florida. And so if they're already profitable in Florida, once they expand, you would think they would become more profitable. If recreation MJ legalization proceeds at a national level or is a ballot question in Florida's 2022 election, the company won't need to do as much differently to reap massive returns from its existing distribution network. And so we'll see what they do throughout the rest of the year. Trulieve brings Medical MJ to Crystal River, and this is just dated on the 20th, so a couple days ago. The latest dispensary located in Crystal River supports Trulieve's goal of ensuring medical MJ patients across Florida have a safe, reliable access to the medications they rely on. The dispensary expands throughout the Central Florida, joining nearby locations in the villages Lady Lake and Ocala. In honor of Trulieve's 86th Florida dispensary, all patients from those new to Trulieve, to the dedicated Truliever community. There you go. Just like Justin Bieber, a believer. Sorry, bad joke. Shouldn't even throw that in here with Trulieve. But that's just what that reminded me of. So a Truliever community will be eligible for a 25% in-store discount at the new dispensary on opening day. So that should be a big sales driver. 25%. That adds up. Here's the location. In stores online, patients will find Florida's largest selection of THC, CBD products in a variety of delivery methods, including edibles, smokable flower, concentrates, tincture, topical creams, vaporizers, and more. So tons of products that they have. So feel free to pause and go over the rest, or else you can go straight to the source on Yahoo Finance. Trulieve is a primarily vertical integrated seed-to-sale company in the United States, and is first and largest fully licensed medical MJ company in the state of Florida. Trulieve cultivates and produces all of its products in-house and distributes those products to Trulieve branded stores throughout the state of Florida, as well as directly to patients via home delivery. Trulieve also holds licenses to operate in California, Massachusetts, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, and West Virginia. Another article here on Yahoo Finance expands patient access to medical MJ with a new Winter Haven location, dated on the 21st. And so the company's 96 nationwide. New 3,200 square feet dispensary located in Winter Haven supports Trulieve's goal of ensuring medical MJ patients across Florida have a safe, reliable access to the medications they rely on. In honor of the Trulieve's 87 Florida dispensary, all patients from those new, and again it goes into the eligible for a 25% in-store discount on the new dispensary opening day. So again, kind of some of the same information. So a 25% would add up very quickly. Over here on Reddit, Trulieve, Cureleaf, which is the better MJ stock? I just talked about Cureleaf. You can find all those in the library. High growth and smoking returns. There you go. Smoking. Nothing on stock twits. I've had trouble getting it to work here, so we'll skip it. Currently at 32.50 with a strong buy. Another great ratings out of 9. That's kind of amazing for an MJ company with an upside of $68.75, 111% upside. So definitely one to look at. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just state my opinion with a high of $105.06 and a low of $49.35. It's not even at the low, so great ratings on this one. But if you have any Trulieve, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis and any other information that you want to list in regards to Trulieve. And if there's any other favorite MJ plays, you can go ahead and list that in the comments as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. We hit 1,000 subscribers last week, and just still trying to increase the number and get the videos out to more people. I thank you for all the comments, the likes, the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. That would really help out the channel. And hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.